Hi and welcome to MoreMind Meditation. My name is Joy Oakley and I'm going to be taking you through a short guided mantra meditation today focused on cultivating more connection. I think this is a really important subject, especially now when we are all feeling disconnected with social distancing, with lockdown. So it's more important than ever that we make sure that we're connected to ourselves and open to connecting to others in new and different ways. So close the eyes, and if you're on the move, if you're an essential worker, thank you. Thank you so much, you're amazing. You can do this standing, you can do this walking, you can do this with your headphones in. If you're at home, you're also amazing. Thank you for staying at home. Find a comfortable seat and let's just get settled into our meditation. So start by just finding a comfortable place for the hands, maybe alongside the body or just in the lap. Closing the eyes. And starting to firstly just connect to the breathing. Noticing how your breath is behaving in your body. The heart rate is fast, if the breath is quick. Maybe seeing if you can slow your breath to a gentler, calmer pace. Just taking a few deep breaths if you need to, into the nose, letting them go through the mouth. And finding a deep, steady inhale and exhale through the nose. Inhaling, exhaling, inhaling, exhaling. Keeping the eyes closed, keeping that connection to the breath, we'll begin to introduce our mantra. And our mantra for today, for this meditation, is this. Without judgment, I cultivate connection. Without judgment, I cultivate connection. Without judgment, I cultivate connection. Just repeating that a few times to yourself internally. Without judgment, I cultivate connection. Without judgment, I cultivate connection. And as we settle into our meditation, just allowing any emotions, any thoughts, any names perhaps, to appear in your mind's eye. Just allowing them to come and allowing them to go. Not paying too much attention to any one particular thought or focus. Just allowing the mind to become clearer. And as the thoughts drift, anchoring back to our mantra. Without judgment, I cultivate connection. Without judgment, I cultivate connection. Without judgment, I cultivate connection. keeping the eyes closed. Keeping the focus inwards. Just beginning to notice any emotions that may be stirring from our mantra. Without judgment, acknowledging those feelings. Without judgment, I cultivate connection. Continuing to breathe deeply in and out of the nose. As the thoughts drift, connecting back to our mantra. Without judgment, I cultivate connection. Slowly starting to just bring your awareness back into the body, keeping the eyes closed, keeping the head bowed. Starting to connect to any physical sensations you might be feeling in the body. Any emotions you may be feeling. And let's take 3 deep breaths together. Breathing into the nose and out through the mouth. Into the nose, out through the mouth. Take a last deep inhalation, a last full exhalation. And when you're ready, just slowly beginning to blink the eyes open. Bringing your hands to heart center, bowing the head once more. And we'll say together to close our practice, Namaste.